By the way, partner, tax reminder for tonight. Ayan, September 25, 2025. Ano ba yung deadline po natin? Ito po ay Thursday. Submission po ng ating tinatawag na quarterly summary list of sales and purchases, importation by a VAT registered taxpayer for non-EFPS filers, fiscal quarter ending August 31, 2025. Next, BIR Form 2551Q. Ito naman ay sa mga percentage taxpayers for EFPS filers and non-EFPS filers. Still, fiscal quarter ending August 31, 2025. And then on September 30, Tuesday po ito, next week, submission of proof of E-file BIR Form 1702 for regular tax, exempt, or mixed income earner with audited financial statements or AFS, 1709 kung kailangan po, if applicable, and other attachment through electronic audited financial statement or yung tinatawag nating EAFS or manually. So, fiscal year ending May 31, 2025.